Hello there, welcome to our channel. Are you looking for some inspirational wood log furniture ideas you can use in your home and patio decor? There are several wood log craft ideas you can incorporate in at different locations across your living spaces. Wood has long been celebrated as one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing materials for home and garden design. Among its various forms, wood logs stand out due to their unique textures, natural beauty, and functional properties. Using wood logs in patio and home decor offers numerous benefits, both practical and aesthetic. One of the foremost reasons to use wood logs in home and patio decor is their intrinsic aesthetic value. Wood logs bring a rustic charm that can transform any space. The natural grain patterns, knots, and colors of the wood create unique visual interest that is hard to replicate with synthetic materials. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood log furniture and decor ideas you can use to transform your patio and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor-related videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood logs provide a raw, organic look that can complement various design styles, from traditional to modern. Whether used as furniture, decorative accents, or structural elements, they add character and warmth to any setting. For example, a log coffee table can serve as a stunning centerpiece in a living room, while log benches can create inviting seating areas on a patio. Wood logs can be incorporated into many design concepts. They work beautifully in rustic, country, or cabin-style homes, but can also enhance contemporary designs when paired with sleek lines and modern materials. This versatility makes wood logs suitable for various applications, such as garden borders, wall art, or even as part of larger architectural features. In today's environmentally conscious world, sustainability is a significant factor in design choices. Utilizing wood logs can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle in several ways. Wood is a renewable resource, especially when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Using logs from sustainably harvested trees ensures that you are making an eco-friendly choice. This contrasts sharply with materials like plastic or metal, which require extensive energy to produce and often involve environmentally damaging processes. Wood logs are biodegradable, meaning they will break down naturally over time, reducing landfill waste. Unlike synthetic materials, which can take hundreds of years to decompose, wood returns to the earth, enriching the soil and promoting new growth. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during their growth, making wood products a form of carbon storage. Utilizing wood logs helps sequester carbon and can contribute to reducing greenhouse gases in our environment. When properly treated and maintained, wood logs can be remarkably durable. They can withstand the elements, making them ideal for outdoor use in patios and gardens. Certain types of wood, such as cedar or redwood, have natural oils that make them resistant to decay, insects, and moisture. This quality allows wood logs to maintain their integrity and appearance over time, even in harsh weather conditions. Wood logs, particularly when used in their natural form, provide excellent structural stability. Log cabins, for instance, have stood the test of time due to the inherent strength of wood. In home decor, this strength translates to furniture and fixtures that can withstand daily use without compromising aesthetics. Incorporating wood logs into your home and patio decor fosters a connection to nature that is often missing in modern urban living. Biophilic design is an approach that emphasizes the human connection to nature. Wood logs bring the outdoors inside, creating a calming atmosphere that promotes well-being. Studies have shown that natural elements in our living spaces can reduce stress and improve mood. As seasons change, so does the beauty of wood logs. In winter, they can evoke a cozy, warm feeling, while in spring and summer, they can blend harmoniously with blooming gardens. This adaptability allows homeowners to create dynamic spaces that resonate with the shifting seasons. Beyond aesthetics, wood logs offer numerous functional applications in both home and patio settings. Wood logs can be crafted into various furniture pieces, including stools, tables, and benches. Their sturdy nature makes them ideal for outdoor seating, while their unique designs add character to indoor spaces. A log bench on a patio can serve as both a functional seat and a striking decorative element. Logs can be used creatively in gardens to create raised beds, borders, or even pathways. They can define spaces, facilitate drainage, and enhance the overall look of your garden. Using logs as garden features promotes a cohesive design that ties the outdoor area to the home's interior. Wood logs can also be employed as decorative accents. For instance, smaller logs can be arranged in a fireplace for a rustic touch or used as candle holders to create a warm ambience. The possibilities are endless, limited only by one's creativity. Using wood logs can be a cost-effective choice for home and patio decor, especially when considering their durability and multifunctionality. Compared to high-end materials like stone or metal, wood logs can be relatively affordable, particularly if sourced locally. Many people can find logs at a reasonable price from sawmills or even in their own backyards, especially after storms or tree removals. While the initial cost of purchasing or crafting wood log furniture may be higher than cheaper alternatives, the longevity and durability of wood mean that you will save money in the long run. Well-maintained wood logs can last for decades, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Incorporating wood logs into decor also opens up a world of DIY opportunities. For those who enjoy crafting, wood logs provide endless possibilities for creative projects. From making log coasters to constructing elaborate furniture, the process can be a fulfilling way to express creativity while personalizing your space. Engaging in DIY projects with wood logs can also help develop useful skills. Learning to work with wood, whether through carving, sanding, or assembling, can be a rewarding experience that fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship. Wood logs carry cultural and historical significance that can enrich your home's narrative. Many cultures have utilized wood in their architecture and decor, from log cabins in North America to timber-framed houses in Europe. Incorporating wood logs into your space can pay homage to these traditional practices and connect you to a broader cultural heritage. Each log has its own story, shaped by the environment in which it grew. Incorporating logs into your decor can serve as a conversation starter, allowing you to share the history and significance of the materials in your home. In conclusion, using wood logs in patio and home decor is a choice that offers a multitude of benefits. From their aesthetic appeal and sustainability to their durability and functionality, wood logs are a versatile material that can enhance any living space. They foster a connection to nature, provide cost-effective solutions, and open up opportunities for creativity and personal expression. Incorporating wood logs into your home not only beautifies your environment but also aligns with a more sustainable and mindful lifestyle. Whether through DIY projects or carefully selected pieces, embracing wood logs can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that resonates with the natural world, making your home a sanctuary of comfort and style. Well, there you have them. Our wood log furniture and decor ideas you can use to transform your patio and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.